You want me to get in there?
Yeah, I don't care.
Okay.
If you want to get in there, you want to be famous.
All right.
Well, now, I'm not used to people actually wanting this. Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today, we're going to be working for this gentleman right here.
Randy Burns.
And he's got an air conditioner he's having issues with. He had a technician in another state look at it, said the capacitor was bad for the compressor. So, I don't have the exact one. I've got one really close. So we're going to try it, see if we can get this guy going, because we don't want his dogs to get overheated while he's here enjoying the New River Gorge National Park. We just can't have that, right?
Correct. Mama wouldn't be happy.
Mama wouldn't be happy. Dog's not happy. Nobody's happy. So let's get up here, see if we can make everybody happy. And I'm going to take y'all along. Let me get up this ladder. You're supposed to hold on with both hands, right? Can't do that when you're carrying a tool bag and a camera. So, hopefully the OSHA guys aren't watching. If you are with OSHA and you're watching, just disregard. Just disregard. That's all I can say. Oh, we got another Coleman. Well, let's hope the shroud comes off this Coleman way better than the last one. Got to get these 4 bolts out. Hopefully they come out. Capacitors live behind this cover right here. I see the guy in Kentucky lost a screw. Oh, that's not uncommon. Probably had too many screws in it to start with. Oh. Now supposedly, this guy tested this capacitor with his multimeter and said it was bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to believe him, and we are just going to go ahead. This is the one we're replacing right here. We're going to go ahead and stick a new one in there. And we needed a 70, so it was a 70 microfarad. I have a 70. So let me reach in here and discharge this thing. Just put my pliers across the 2 terminals. So we got a yellow and a red. We got a yellow and a black. Let's just do this little number right here. We're going to see if it works first. See if this cured the problem. Supposedly, the fan comes on, but there's no compressor. So let's see. If it gets better with a different capacitor. It's usually when a capacitor, not always, usually when a capacitor goes bad, it's all swelled up or leaking. We do have a soft start on this too, so that can be an issue. I brought my meter, my clamp meter, up with me, so we'll know if the compressor is running. Alright, you can go ahead and cut the breaker on and go ahead and cut the air conditioner on. Sound good. Okay, hold on. Okay, hopefully y'all can see that meter. I could hear some arcing and the sparking and the carrying on in the compressor, and it was pulling almost 20 amps. That's not good. Let's get this cover off here. I think we're going to find a bad thermal device, which probably means the compressor is bad. Alright, just a nut holds that cover on. Let's see what we got here. I didn't bring my driver handle or a ratchet up here for my sockets. Thank goodness it's not tight. I get this funny feeling I'm not the first one to be here. If the guy from Kentucky... Oh, no, it looks good. Wow. Yeah, I mean, I don't see anything wrong with the thermal device. Usually when they're burned up, they are burned up. So I don't think that's it. I do believe we have a bad compressor. I would like to take the soft start out and see if it does any better. I'm not a huge fan of the soft starts. I really think the compressor's probably burnt up. It sounds horrible. You can smell an electrical smell, and it's crackling and popping and sizzling and carrying on. I would like to take the soft start out real quick, just see if it makes a difference. But I really think the compressor's probably bad. But so I'd like to eliminate that. I would like to eliminate that soft start first. Compressor's bad, air conditioner just done. Just done. So, probably to continue your trip, yeah, you will need to run up here to Walmart or Lowe's and get a portable air conditioner. Yep. Do you happen to make any notes when you put this soft start in, or? Okay. I think I could figure it out. I think man, that thing smells horrible. Oh, by the way, this guy's son installed the soft start. He's a professional electrician. He used wire nuts. So I'm just rudely sticking this together just to test it. Very rudely. Crudely, I'd say. Alright, you want to go try it again? Alright, I think I got it bypassed. We're going to let him try it again. See if it's any different. By golly, I think that's it. It's about 7 amps. Go ahead and cut it off. Just cut it off. Yeah, the breaker too. Yeah, please. Well, I'm actually a little bit surprised. I really thought the compressor was bad. Another bad soft start. Customer, when I got here, he asked me, he said, I do have a soft start on that. And he asked my opinion, and I'm like, to be honest with you, I've uninstalled more soft starts than I've installed, because I think I've only installed one, but I've uninstalled several. Here's another one. We're going to add it to the list. Because I bypassed soft start, it's good to go. I don't know, something happens to them soft starts. It's pretty regular. So, shouldn't be any surprises here. I'm just gonna hook these wires up permanently. And I will test it again, and it should be done. So, if there's nothing exciting happens, that's gonna be it for this one. Thanks for watching. Now that capacitor could have been bad. The guy from Kentucky supposedly came up here and tested it. So I'm gonna put my capacitor in there because that soft start could have took out the capacitor. Who knows? But anyhow, y'all know what you're doing. You get down in that comment section. You leave me a comment, a criticism, concern, if you want to. And I'm probably gonna go up there and fix another one after this one. No matter what I do, y'all have a great day.